How to create a Discord account. To create a Discord account, first of all, make sure that you have installed updated version of your Discord application from App Store. Once you check that, launch your Discord application. There you will see this interface. From here, select register. You can either use your phone number or email address. Simply type your email address and tap on next. Then you will be asked to type your display name. Simply hit on next then. Use a strong password and tap on next. Choose your birth date. And at last, select create an account. Then your account will be created. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.